John Cena is determined to reclaim what, as he said, he never lost, the WWE Championship. Due to a career-threatening quadriceps injury, the game missed WrestleMania last year in Detroit. Triple H is looking to compete here tonight on WWE's grandest stage and become a 12-time world champion. I really don't think that there's anyone that I can recall in my long career that comes to the ring with more intensity than the game. He is as intense, as focused as any athlete I think that I've ever seen. And when a man says that he will die to win the WWE title, now folks, that's passion.
Oh, that's intensity.
What a unique environment are these triple threat matches. Every man for himself. You cannot get disqualified. You cannot be counted out. It's very simple. The first man to score a pinfall or a submission within the ring is the winner. In 2004, the third-generation prodigy, Randy Orton, became the youngest world champion in WWE history. On this occasion, he had over a 6-month reign, and Orton says he is a one-man dynasty. And if Randy Orton can leave WrestleMania 24 as the champion tonight, there's not a man, woman, or child on earth that can deny that.
Well, you talked earlier tonight about the passion of Triple H and the desire of John Cena. Well, Randy Orton said that if you combine all of those attributes that Cena and Triple H possess, then you get Randy Orton.
And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Triple H, Randy Orton, and John Cena for the WWE Championship.
Well, I'll tell you, JR, this match is a long time in coming. And these three men have done everything possible to get to this moment. Cena stunned the world coming back from injury to win the Royal Rumble and challenge Orton at No Way Out instead of WrestleMania.
Cena lost that match against Orton when Orton got himself disqualified. That same night, Triple H won his Elimination Chamber match, making him the top contender for the WWE title. The game has gone through absolute hell to earn this opportunity after winning the Elimination Chamber.
Don't forget about the... Oh, that did the damage. But now both men are down.
Again, he goes for that weapon, putting the knee to his opponent. Nice reversal. A great reversal by Cena. If you want to survive in WWE, you must beware of Randy Orton. Cold, calculated, superior skills, and the RKO.
That's it. He's out.
Cena going going for the pin here early. The awesome Triple H kicks out easily.
In these no disqualification matches, at times it's the most innovative superstar, the one that comes up with a unique way of dealing damage that's able to score the win. Wow, he's still down after that.
Oh, he's been knocked to the floor. Look at him block the attack.
Boy, there's no way he's going to be able to stand after that.
Back into the ring now.
This could be it. Cover.
John Cena obviously ready for this match. But how long will it be before Triple H and Randy Orton turn on each other?
If I'm Cena, I'm hoping it's sooner.
It's not looking good for Cena. Triple threat matches are so dangerous. Alliances are created and destroyed in a matter of minutes. And you just don't know who you can trust.
Nobody, JR. That's who you can trust. Nobody. It's every man for himself in this type of match.
The first man to score a pinfall will be declared the winner. That fact alone makes for some interesting dynamics between these three men. Let's not forget that Triple H beat Randy Orton for the WWE Championship back in the fall. The game won it on that night and ended up defending it 3 times. Triple H was beaten by Orton in a Falls Count Anywhere match, and now Orton is doing anything he has to leave WrestleMania the WWE Champion.
That's right.
Orton looking to do some serious damage.
Randy Orton is no stranger to killing someone's legend. And here comes the game. Oh, and Orton has him scouted.
A huge double hangman's DDT. Orton is in firm control of this championship match that he's going to lose. He isn't Triple H looking to be suffering from the lingering effects of his quadriceps injury.
And those effects are going to linger for a long time, JR.
This has got to be it.
There's the cover.
Gotta be it.
I think he's finished. Look at him unloading with the Dez press.
Look at the strength behind those strikes.
Oh, after that, you're not seeing stars. You're looking at constellations. He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now. Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet.
This is it. The moment Orton has been waiting for. Orton's just measuring him here.
Well, that's it. Triple H has been busted open.
On the verge of victory. That's 3 to win.
Here is your winner, and still WWE Champion, Randy Orton.
It was what we have grown to know from Randy Orton. When it looked like the game had won the WWE Championship with a pedigree to John Cena, Orton capitalizes and retains.